Okay, girls, what it is today?
My birthday.
And who's the big present for?
Me.
Because you're the birthday girl?
I'm 7.
And Brennan, why do you have a little present?
Daddy got me a little something.
Got you a little something because you're the little sister and it's big sister's birthday.
Yes.
Love it.
Can't get everybody together.
I know it.
All right, rock and roll.
But no one knows that again. Okay, ready?
Ooh. Marble run.
This is so cool. This is, look, the marbles get sent down the road.
Isn't that cool? Do you have one of those at home?
No.
Okay, good. I didn't know if Mama.
It was either that or the drum set.
Yeah. Isn't that cool? And then,
Show of 5 little kids.
yeah, it only has 180 pieces.
Yeah. Keep
What
it
is
going.
that?
And there's a little one. That one's for you too, honey. It was in the big box. That's for Faith.
You know, next time we come, we need to bring all the dogs.
Well, they're only 2 dogs.
Since everything
It's a
here is just so
glove.
random. You're welcome to.
No, that's why you need to read to me tonight.
I will.
Okay.
Ah!
It says, Happy birthday, Danny and the dinosaur.
Happy birthday,
We can read that one together. Did you know she read Go Dogs Go to me last night? Did she? Whole book.
Excellent.
And Little Miss Myrna helped read part of it too.
Yay, can I open it?
Did you see that's a game called Slam Witch? Your little game, your present. It's a game called Slam Witch.
A nightgown.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
You got one too? Just like me.
All right.
Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Awesome! That's what you got me there.
I got stopped. Oh, it's still recording.
Oh, it's still recording?
Hold it up for mommy. Ready? Big smile. I'm so good. I have no problem with this not going.
That's a good smile.
Hey. You want it? Let me take it off. Hey. No,
No,
but
open
not.
it.
Ready? It's bigger than you. Almost.
Faith, that's too big for you.
Yes.
Oh
Ready?
my gosh.
You ready?
Way too big for you.
Okay. Push the bow off. Right here. Pull. Tie the bow. I worked so hard on that pretty bow.
So what do you think? Hey, look this way.
I don't know. You needed some help, Faith?
It's a cardboard box. Yay!
There we go. No. Ow! Haley, are you okay?
It's
I'm fine, baby.
all right, just scared her.
It's a book. No, read this part. Music. Instrument. What do you think it is? Instrument. What kind of instrument? Instrument. It's a guitar.
How do you know?
Yeah, how do you know? Yeah. You should read it right there. They'll tell you. Guitar. It's a big guitar. A big? Oh. Oh. I'm so sorry.
Don't even worry about it.
Oh.
It's called birthday.
Pull, pull, pull.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big girl.
It's like a real one?
Pull it. I'll pull and you pull. Ready?
Got it.
1, 2, 3, pull, 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 pull. Good. It's not supposed to be full size. But
nice cake.
Very nice cake. Oh my gosh. Thanks. Wow.
Careful if it opens up, you don't want it to fall out. Gotta do that hand. That's a nice case. Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
that's a real nice cake.
We're gonna have to unlatch that handle with the Velcro on it.
How many points was it? 17,500 points from the bank.
Oh my gosh.
What do you
That's
think?
classical, that's great.
Oh, wow. That is something.
What do you think?
Oh,
Has a strap.
oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Yes.
I might have to save those points more often than you.
Once
You know
sit
what?
down
Tonight, I
here-
bet you could ask Ash and she'll show you some clothes. She knows them? Yeah.
You're going to have to take that with you to lunch to show Mr. Howard.
We're going
Yeah, we're gonna see what my dad.
Yeah.
there? Okay.
I mean, he would love to show you too, I bet.
Where do you look where does this go? Yeah, that might be for the,
Yeah, that's for the bag.
That's for the bag. This doesn't have the strap, sorry.
But it fitted up for you?